Hi, this is Andreas with RRE Global, and today we would like to speak a little bit about the Smartfloor, a product we have since long time in our company, and we are the master distributor for all adventure vans here in the US. There's lots of products in the market. The Smartfloor is a market leader since years, and we trust the certification as well. So it's a third-party company testing all these floors in a specific body. So it's not a generic test what some other outfitters are offering. It's actually really done in the Sprinter, in the Transit, in the ProMaster, and we are testing up to 14 positions on each floor. That is what gives you the peace of mind when you sell it to your customer, that you always have the right product, and in case of an accident we have the documentation for it. It also gives you maximum freedom. We can adjust the track layout to whatever your requirements are, and you see also the aluminum surface is super strong. If you have motorcycles, bicycles, if you have heavy stuff to carry, nothing is denting. Some composite floors are very soft from the surface, and also the problem with the vacuumed top flooring, you can never exchange it. The system with the separate airline tracks is allowing you to exchange after a certain number of years if you want to change the design or if you had a little accident with your flooring. Easy to exchange, and you can also give the floor a custom look, for example, and powder coat or anodize the tracks in a color you may prefer. If you don't need the tracks everywhere, you can cover it as well so you don't see the whole pattern. It's also possible to cover the groove with a piece of plastic or wood and run your top flooring over it if you say I need only certain tracks in the front and only a certain number of tracks in the rear. So you can even customize the ready floor to the needs you have. Next to me you see already a prepared section of the Smartfloor. The advantages are you get safe seats into your van, you can retrofit. So if you bought a panel van and you want to add seats safely for your family, no problem, we have the solution for you. Every Smartfloor is individually designed for your van and floor plan, so you don't need to live with a standard layout, or you don't need to live with a lot of tracks you maybe don't need. So every floor gets an individual design, drawing, and then we manufacture it for you. The installation is really straightforward, but needs to be done by a trained expert. So we have a network of over 150 installation partners for you, and they do a safe installation of the floor in your van. We go a little bit through the process today, step by step, and we will also talk about the different seats, sleeper benches, and options you can add to your Smartfloor to make it an individual product matching your personal taste, and also the safety relevant parts you may require to get your seats, but also furniture into your van. Every floor has an individual drawing. You can see that we took out the airline track of the extrusion panel, and you see also the SIG reinforcement. So I brought a little bit of a small sample piece. So that's a typical double track panel. That's exactly the width for your seat bases. And we deliver the floor raw. That gives you the flexibility to later put whatever you prefer as a top flooring. And also you can easily take it in and out if there is a damage and you want to later do something different in design. Yeah, you can always take it out and can replace it. So not like other systems where you have a permanent top flooring on without possibility to exchange. Here you can just take the airline track off and you can very easy exchange your top flooring. Right now we don't need the L-track, it's just adding a little weight to the carry process when we install it in the van. So we have taken every track out and stored it aside until we install the top flooring. When you basically have a screw, I always show it like this. A screw is always pulling in a very local area and that can rip out. A glue is always going on a large surface, and you can see that you have much more stronger basically parts of the floor grabbing into the adhesive. So it's not only a local pull, it is a complete grabbing of a large surface. That's why gluing is actually much stronger, and modern aircrafts, modern vehicles, cars are almost all glued together these days. That makes it stronger, stiffer, and nothing can rattle. If you're in the market to upgrade your van with seats, there's lots of options. Always be on the safe side. Ask for FMVSS test certification. There's lots of products in the market with no certifications, with certifications where you don't know what third-party institute did it, or they are doing generic tests on a metal plate, but they are not testing the connection to the van. Our floors are tested according to the FMVSS and CNVSS, so it's also Canadian certified. That gives you the safety for your family, being safe while on your trip. You have all the flexibility with your track layout. You have single seats, we have sleeper benches in different widths. Our sleeper benches are moving in the track, so you can push it all the way forward when you while you drive, and in the evening it goes in the bed position. We have lots of different seats, from very standard RVM1 seats with back flipping backrest, so you can basically move it all the way forward and push it under a bed. We have more comfortable 19-inch wide Easy XL seats. Our comfort seats, more cushion, and on the top of the line, our Shieldman seats. All Shieldman seats, the Vario F is tested on our Smartfloor legs. That means you have the swivel legs, you have the quick release legs, and you have fixed legs. So you have 3 different leg options, and they're all working with the seats, sometimes with an adapter, sometimes directly bolted on. All of them very easy to take out of the tracks. So if you don't need all of your seats, store them in the garage or put them in when you need to haul the whole sports team to the next game. Very easy also for you to adjust to your floor plan. If you say, no, my kitchen needs to be there and the closet needs to be here, the shower needs to be there, no problem. We will align the tracks in a way that you can get your floor plan working. And this is a little bit the plus of the Smartfloor, the design of the layout, the track layout, the color options for the top flooring, the versatility of the seat options to really match every budget, but also also every purpose. So contact us if you have more questions. We have a network of over 150 certified upfitters, so we are not throwing the floors to untrained people. We want to make sure that every upfitter knows what to do and is following the instructions of the manufacturer. So we spend a lot of time in training each individual one, but the upfitter is your direct contact. They will help you with everything. They will do the layouts with you, and they will also help you with the rest of the build. So your upfitter close to you is always the first contact, and we are in the background to support and help. Thank you very much. Enjoy your Smartfloor.